Today Zoe and I are gonna show you all the tricks that she can do. Sit. Zoe, sit. Alright. Down. Down. Zoe. Shake. Down. Zoe, down. Good girl. Alright. This is speed run. Zoe, shake. Fist bump. High five. High five. Zoe, high five. High five. Don't give me that side eye. Don't give me the side eye. High five. High five. Zoe. High five. Good girl. Now we're gonna do jump. Jump. Zoe. Zoe, jump. Come on. Come on, floppies. Come on, little floppy girl. No, jump. Bye. Circus. On the couch. You will go on the couch. Cuddles. Cuddles. I also taught her some tricks that I don't know how to name. Chunky monkey. Zoe! No. Zoe, come here. Come here. Come here. Zoe's not the best at recall, but that's okay. Come here, baby girl. Alright, come on. Come on, baby. Sit. Come. Come. Oh, she's following me. And let's see. Sit. Sit. Stay. Sit. What do you not? Sit. No. Come over here. Sit. Stay. 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 Come. Zoe, come. Zoe. Zoe, come. Come here. Zoe. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, good. Stop. Stop. She kind of knows that. All right, let's redo. Let's redo. Come on. Sit. Stay. Stay. Come. Come. Zoe, come. Zozo, come here. Stop. That was okay. But I need to get it on camera. Come on, Zoe. Come. Jump. Sit. Stay. All right. Come. Come here, Zoe. Zoe, come. Zoe, come. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Stop. That was okay. Now you go. Sit. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay? You're gonna leave it. You will leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Zoe, I know how focused you are. Leave it. You're such a good girl. I can't leave it that long. Right, Babush? Right. Leave it. Leave it, Chunky Monkey. Leave it, Chunky Monkey. Hi, Chunky Monkey. Hi, Chunky Monkey. Leave it. She can just leave it for hours. One time I forgot to say, oh, okay. And Zoe just left it for the whole day until I came home. She was just staring at the tree, and I'm like, dang it, I forgot to say the word. So then I was like, okay. And then I said, and then she was like looking at me like, you said the O word, which is okay. And then she just left it until I came home, which was like 8 hours. Leave it. You're being a good girl. Are you being a good girl? Are you being a good girl? Yeah, you're being a good girl. Leave it. Sometimes she'll give you a side eye. Sometimes she'll give you a bombastic side eye. Sometimes she'll stare at my mom and be like, what are you doing? Sometimes my mom will stare at me and be like, what are you doing? Come over here right now. And leave it, Zoe. You're being such a good girl, but you still gotta leave it. I'll give it to you in 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53. Okay, I'll just give you like one more minute. I'll give you until the 7-minute mark, okay? Leave it. You're being such a good girl. If you hear people talking, that's my grandpa and grandma, because I'm at my grandparents' house. Good night, Papa. Happy birthday. Good night, Papa. Happy birthday. Leave it. After excitement, Zoe can still leave stuff. After seeing my grandma walk by with food, she can still leave stuff. You know, she is so food motivated. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 15, 25 seconds until you can have it. 20 seconds until you can have it. It's 6, 15, 14,